Vivo will reportedly expand its V series of smartphones with the purported Vivo V29 lineup, which includes the already launched Vivo V29 Lite and the upcoming Vivo V29 and Vivo V29 Pro, expected to launch together. The Chinese manufacturer is yet to announce a launch date for the upcoming smartphones. However, the design for the Vivo V29 base model has officially been teased in a video shared by the company on YouTube, suggesting the phone could hit the market soon. The promotional video also gives us a sneak peek into the phone's color options. Earlier, the smartphone's features and specifications were also leaked. Vivo V29 Pro 5G was spotted on Geekbench, whereas the Vivo V29 was listed on the FCC certification website. Vivo Turkey has shared the rear design of the purported Vivo V29 in an official promotional video for the series on YouTube. The smartphone is shown to have a rectangular camera island housing a triple rear camera setup placed in two circular camera modules. It is teased to get an LED flash module and Vivo branding on its back. The phone's right edge can be seen sporting the power button and volume buttons. In addition to these design details, the phone is also shown in a blue color shade. Though Vivo is yet to reveal any specifications or features of the phone, the Vivo V29 Pro and the Vivo V29 were previously spotted on Geekbench and FCC certification website respectively. The listings revealed some of the smartphone's key specifications. The Vivo V29 Pro 5G was listed on Geekbench with the model number V29-29. The listing also suggested that the phone could pack 12 GB of RAM and run Android 13-based FunTouchOS 13 out of the box. The handset was also tipped to come equipped with a MediaTek Dimensity 8200 SoC clocked at 3.1 GHz. The Vivo V29, on the other hand, was spotted on the FCC certification website with the model number V29-29. The handset was said to be backed by a 505 mAh battery with support for 80W fast charging. The listing also revealed 5G, LTE, Bluetooth and NFC connectivity options. Furthermore, the Vivo V29 was also leaked to sport a 6.7-inch OLED Full HD Plus display with a 120Hz refresh rate.